All right, here we have some more boat motors. Look at that, Johnson, 1953. Shoda right there. 1943, 1944. Look at that. And we got some of the small engines down here. Ooh, a whole bunch of small engines. This one is 1943 to 1945. Ooh, kind of different built. Everrood. Motorboat. And a few more small engines here. Those small engines were really popular in the old days because they ran everything in the house. You know, before all the power and everything came in. And there we have some more right there. A Mercury. A 1946 Mercury right there. That's an Elgin. Cool. Wow. Look at that big one up there. Everrood. Nice. And you got another Mercury right there. Oh no, it's a Everrood. Very different. 1945 to 1949. And up here we have a Johnson. 1941 to 1950. What a collection, huh? Oh, look, we got ourselves a Champion here. And here is 1941 for the Champion. That was different, wasn't it? Cool. And we have an Alto. Looks like a little one. An Alto. Cool. And we have one here. Have you ever seen so many boat motors all in one place? Unreal. And we got a Ski King way up here. And that's 1940 to 1942. Got 15.2 horsepower. And right here, a Champion, a 1941 Champion. Ooh, handle's really worn out there, isn't it? Look how that went down. Very different, isn't it? And right here we have a Johnson, 1940, 2.5 horsepower. Another Elgin. And another Champion here, another 1941. champion. Then way up there, we have a Neptune, 1941, 16 horsepower. And up there, we get the side view there of a Johnson, 1941 to 48. And look at this one. Wow, this one's a big one. Nice E on it. Starflight. Oh, wow. Starflight. That's a pretty big one. Holy smokes, look at that. Very beautiful, but big. That's a heavy motor to maneuver. Wow. Okay, we got another motor up there. Going through the history of boat motors. Isn't that cool? That's a 1940 champion. And here we have a Lawson, 1947 to 1956. Evinrude, 1940, kind of tiny little thing. Another Evinrude that you could handle pretty good, 1946, only 2 horsepower. Can you imagine? Just 2 horsepower? A nice little one. Probably just right for those aluminum boats, huh? Okay, we got an Evinrude up there. That is a Hiawatha, 5 horsepower, 1947. That one there is a champion, 1941. Oh, look at this one. Cute little one. Neat. 1941. Neptune. 5.1 horsepower. And we got a Sea King up there. 1948. 5 horsepower. A Chris Craft, 1949 to 1953. That's kind of different. All right. I hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and I'll bring you some more. Bye-bye now.